Hey guys, what's cracking? Well, let me get you guys set. I got an old machinist vise. Very old machinist vise that was given to me. This has got the T-slot, where you clamp it down onto the table, the X and Y table, or X and Z table, something like that. You clamp it down and you'll be able to put your part in here. So this thing is locked up solid. You guys see how rusted up it is. Both these jaws move. So they move. When this one goes back, this one goes back. So they move back and forth. So when they're fully open, they'll be on both sides. So you guys see how rusted up it is. So we're going to try to, we're going to do electrolysis, see if it actually works. So I got a wire brush here, and we got to brush off all the flaky stuff. Alright, there gives it. Gotta shine up. You have to shine up a little piece so you get your battery cables hooked to it. I got some baling wire. Be back over. Alright guys, here's the setup. I got a bucket of water here. I don't know how many gallons there is. Probably maybe 4. There's a battery charger sitting right here. This is an electronic battery charger. I don't know if this is exactly going to work. I may have to go get the old dinosaur out of the corner and do it. Well, you need some washing soda for laundry. You do want to do this in a well-ventilated area. When it starts producing gas, I'm going to take a lighter and I'm going to light it and see if it actually could explode. We got some sacrificial steel here to connect the into the water, and I got a jumper cable to connect the two pieces. So, further ado, what we need to do, get some washing soda. If I can get it open. See, I've always figured a cup for every gallon, so I'm assuming 4 gallons. Walmart carries this stuff if anybody needs it. Let's go 2.5, because that seems like a lot. Let's see if 2.5 could get us going. 2.5 cups. And just stir it in. This is warm water, by the way. You don't want to use cold water. Cold, you ain't gonna, it's not gonna mix in right. You want warm water to mix in this laundry detergent. Oh, hush, Granny. That should be mixed in pretty good. Now, what we want to do is we got some heavy baling twine. Or this is cardboard for cardboard bales. Really good, heavy equipment here. I got me a board, and we just soak it. And I guess we're not going to hang it. So we're going to just try it without hanging it. So I got a couple plants, so there should be plenty of room. I'll stick that up above it just a little bit. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room. Clamps are just to make sure these sacrificial rods don't touch the product. Come on, bud. Alright. Now, what you want to do is take your battery charger before you plug it in. Take your positive and hook it to your sacrificial steel. And hook your negative to your workpiece. Well, that's another dilemma I have. Alright. Now since we got this hooked up, let's go plug it in. If my cats will move. Yeah, it's actually working. I think. I don't know if it's actually working or not. And I don't see it moving. Hang on, I gotta go get the bigger. Alright guys, this charger is a joke. Will not work. I figured electronic one would never work. Alright, I got the old dinosaur. One that can push, you know, 400 amps. Okay, now let's turn on this amp, this thing. Oh yeah, now she's working. You guys see it working. It is. You guys, it's got a smell coming off. Here, let me move you guys down to the old faithful. This thing my dad had since the 80s. Yep, old faithful there. There's your model number, the H9113. My dad had this since the 80s. Since he was running his hot rods. So, you guys are going to need a very old battery charger, not electronic. This has got a gas coming off from it. And it is working, you guys can see that. There's it off, and there it is back on. Let me do that again. Off, and back on. Let's see if I can catch it in the camera. That's off, that's back on. So it is working. Let's see, let's put it up on 40 amps. Guys, stay away. Go away from the battery charger. So that's at 40 amps. And that's back down to 2 amps. You guys, stop! I'll let you guys watch it for a minute. I don't want to hear it! guys already ate. Go lay down and get bent. Or whatever else cats do anymore. Instead of drive me nuts. Yeah, that's at 22 amps there. And there's 40 amps. I don't think there's much of a difference. Now, here's something to be very stupid. Let's see if people are right about the gas. Yeah, it's producing gas. Now I did it. But it ain't nothing that you're gonna have to worry about. Yeah, it's nothing to worry about. It goes right out. Shut up, needy! Yeah, it's nothing to worry about. It ain't gonna blow you up. So yeah, there you go. So 2.5 cups looks perfect. Being honest, I mean, I'll just add a couple drops more. It looks like it's gonna work. So we'll be back in the future. Well, you figured right now it's 4 or 5 o'clock. 4 o'clock, I think. Alright, it's going on 5 o'clock, so it's 4:50 right now. So we'll be back in 24 hours and see what this looks like. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, what's cracking? Just got a little update for you guys. Had a change. Wow, that metal's actually getting hot. Yeah, it is. Had a change from the handle because I was giving it not a good circulation, so I got to move down. But I got to show you guys something. These are hydrogen bubbles. They actually do light. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, these are hydrogen bubbles. They do light. So, but you don't have to worry about it. It ain't gonna blow you up. But I just want to give you guys a little update. And that positive terminal's hot. Negative's warming up. Let's see what the amperage draw is. I'm running about 15 amps. And I got that thing set at 2 amps. Wow. There's what 40 amps looks like. I had that down on 2 amps. Huh. I know the water's staying hot. The water got hotter. Oh, well, whatever's going on is going on. Let's see. Let me stop this a second. Charger's off for a minute. Yeah, it's actually working, guys. Cool. That water's hot, hot. That's got to be over 100-degree water there. Yeah. Alright guys, I've got my temperature probe here. Garage is 78 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's see what this, my, I don't know if you guys zoomed all the way out. There, now you guys see. See. This sucker's almost 100 degrees, guys. The clamp itself. Let's see what the water temp is. Told you that water had been 100-degree temp. Let me zoom you guys down. I'm about 110-degree water. So that ain't bad.